Our weather now, a number of dark clouds have lingered around today, and for some, Sam, rain is in the forecast, right?
That's right, yeah. It looks like it's going to be sort of a bumpy ride this weekend. You know, on a normal, typical summer weekend, this would be just fine, but we could use some more dry days in the forecast. Unfortunately, though, we are looking at some more rainfall. Notice a little partial sunshine up here, but we have some of these cumulus clouds and some thunderstorms that are right now starting to track right on through the Twin Cities. Most of these are going to continue to lift northward around Brainerd, and most of them are over in western Wisconsin at this hour. This is all riding right along a warm front. So this warm front lifting north, things are going to start becoming steamy this weekend. Temperatures falling into the middle 70s, very mild overnight tonight, and humidity will be on the rise. We'll keep a chance for some scattered thunderstorms in the forecast tonight, but there are more severe storms in the forecast this weekend. We'll talk all about that coming up in a few minutes, guys.
Thanks, Sam. We are keeping our eyes on area rivers. The Mississippi River crested last night in St. Paul and is already down a few inches. The high St. Croix River means the Stillwater Lift Bridge is closed, and it needs to drop about 1.5 feet before it can reopen. More rain this weekend, though, could cause river levels to rise once again. Officials say this is the highest reading for the Mississippi River in nearly 15 years. Homeland Security tells us that they are keeping a close eye on both the water and the weather. The St. Croix River in Stillwater is expected to crest today at about 87.6 feet. Right now, the St. Croix River is just shy, 6 feet shy, in fact, of the 1965 record. And this also, of course, could change with the rain this weekend. And over in Carver County, emergency officials say their preliminary estimates of damage to public infrastructure is more than $9 million, and that is expected to increase. Officials also say they're concerned this weekend's rain could bring strong winds, which could topple very tall trees that have been standing water for days now.